Hi there, this is Abrina from Connectability, and here's IT security tip number 9. If you installed it, you must update it. There are thousands of hackers who get up every morning with one goal in mind: to find a new vulnerability in a commonly installed software like Adobe, Flash, or QuickTime to access your computer. That's why these companies frequently issue patches and updates for known security bugs. And once a known vulnerability is announced via a patch, a hacker figures out how to use the vulnerability and access those users who are lazy about installing updates. That's why it's important to update installed software programs as soon as possible. And stay tuned for IT security tip number 10.